Service Donations, let's manage church services and donations. Click the Service Donations button in the left menu. This is the Service Donations screen. On this screen you will see a collection of your past church services and events. You can sort these services by quarter or by the year. To manage your donations, you must first create a service. To create the service, click the blue Add Service button. On the Add New Service screen, create a new service. Select the date, service, session. You can also review your workflow status and come back to the service later if needed. Click Add Service. Let's add some donations. Click Enter Service button on the right-hand side to enter the service. All information entered here is related directly to the service or event you just created. To create an individual donation, click the Individual Donations button. To add a new donation for an individual, select the member, enter an amount. If a reference number is needed, add a reference number, then choose the method and the offering type. The type field will automatically default to donations. However, if this is a quid pro quo event, you can adjust accordingly. As you enter data, your totals will appear at the top of the page. To enter a group donation, click the Groups Donations button. Select or create the name, enter the amount, and payment method. When finished, add group donations to the service. Continue adding donations until finished. If a donation amount needs to be edited, use the Edit pen over to the right to edit that donation. When you're finished, you can print or email this report by selecting the Print or Email button on the top right. This concludes the brief introduction to service donations. If you need further assistance, please contact support.